Good morning, guys. Yeah, we are actually in Brisbane. Yeah, we are in Brisbane. Just in front of the Brisbane International Airport is this train station. Yeah, so within 20 minutes you're going to reach the Brisbane city center, and it says that they also have the express train and tram going to Gold Coast. Yeah, air train. I'm actually waiting for the wife of my friend, Karen. She's going to pick me up here because my friend is still at work in another parts of Queensland. Brisbane is 1 hour flight from Newcastle Airport, and do you know that there is a 1 hour time difference? Because when I left the Newcastle Airport it was 6 o'clock, and when we arrive here 6 o'clock also. So Brisbane is a 1 hour late. Yeah, I am here because you know both of them are working and I need to stay here first. We are now inside of this shopping mall. I don't know the name of the shopping mall, I forgot. Apple store. Yeah, they are small than the usual Apple store that I have seen. Okay, now I know. This is called the Westfield Kermside. This is nice. Also this one is nice, but you know all of them, when it gets old it doesn't look nice. Kmart is open 8 o'clock. Target is open. Amazing. Wow, they open early. There are few restaurants that are open already. When I was working in Potts Point, I sometimes have breakfast in McDonald's because it's along the way going to my workplace. Yeah, this is $12.35. Basically, it's a sausage McMuffin. Is yeah, and orange juice and pancake. To be honest, I am really tired already. Yeah, because you know last night I sleep at 1 o'clock and then I wake up at 3 o'clock and then go to the airport. Yeah, look, it's beautiful here. It is now 10 o'clock and all of the shops are already open, and you know I'm already very sleepy, man. Yeah, I don't want to get out of this building because it's hot outside. Okay, let's check how hot it is. Ooh, hot. Yeah, hot, mate. Yo, I had the haircut in that Cole Naylor barber shop, and they gave me this free bottle of water. I actually don't know how much is the charge for the haircut that they did to me. This is how it looks like. You know, I'm not a big fan of this kind of food. This one is pho, P-H-O, a Vietnamese noodle soup. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this, but this one is delicious. I like it. Yeah, this is $7.50 here in the food court. Okay, we're getting out of that building. I'm very sleepy, mate. I need to walk around. Good thing is that it's not very hot like what I am expecting. Yeah, very sleepy. I was closing my eyes and I'm falling down like that. Yeah. I was still waiting for Ronald. Yeah. Ronald is at work at the moment. Because you know, this is not we talk about. Because what happened is that there is a changes in my schedule at work. I am supposed to be working today, but yeah, one of our restaurant is closed, so the chef decided to make me day off again today, because I was day off 2 days ago and then another one is tomorrow, so I have 3 days off this week. That's why I changed my arrival. Supposed to be I'll be coming tomorrow and not this morning. Some of you still don't know that Brisbane is another city in Australia, which is inside the Queensland. Queensland is another state in Australia, the same like New South Wales, where Sydney is located. Yeah, so basically there is Victoria, where you're going to see the Melbourne, and then Queensland, where is Cairns and Brisbane, and then New South Wales, where is Sydney, Newcastle, Wollongong are located. You look at this. These are newly built high-rise apartment, and there are more. They are building in there. Octec Employment Service. If you are a local or if you are a permanent resident, I think this is one of the company that can help you to find a job. It is hot this time. I'm still wearing this. I am coming from the aircon, so I don't feel yet the hotness, but later on, if I keep on walking, I'll be sweaty. I don't know if I heard it right, but when I was in the airplane this morning, the pilot said the temperature in Brisbane is the same like the temperature in the Philippines. Oh no, the weather in Brisbane is the same like in the Philippines, something like that. I'm going to take out this long sleeve. It's hot. Oh, this is like a water parks. They have a big slides and then swimming pool. And now I understand that is actually the city pool. You know, this place, I read somewhere there that this is a 15 minutes away from Brisbane CBD. It is really hot. I'm going back to the shopping mall. It is now 2:30 and Ronald's arrived. He is upstairs. He said he's somewhere here. This is his car. This is old car, already 8 years. Yeah, he said it's already 7 years. It's become personalized. I don't have any knowledge about car, but this is how it looks like inside. Looks like a Lamborghini.